Dosas are known to be a humble South Indian breakfast dish, but today this favorite dish has so many variations. And after all, who can resist a buttery, crispy dosa? Top 5 dosa places in Dubai. And today we are taking you through some of the best dosa joints in Dubai. So come, let's start off with Sharjah's Dosa Plaza. This restaurant started off as a humble stall in Mumbai, and 12 years later, Dosa Plaza has outlets in Sharjah, New Zealand and all over India. And the highlight of the place is the 4 feet long family dosa, which is priced at 36 dirhams. And there are other variations that include the schezwan dosa, Mexican roast, salad roast, Italian dosas and so much more. Our next stop is the uber famous MTR at Karama. Dating all the way back to 90 years, MTR has stood the test of time and serves one of the best dosas in town. While the ambience is nothing to boast about, the restaurant serves lip-smacking Indian tiffin like idli, dosa, upma and much more. And frequenters here rave about their masala dosas, and we agree it is one of a kind. The dosas are garnished with a generous dollop of butter and served with sambar and coconut chutney. And to add their brownie points, they serve this in an old-fashioned steel plate, keeping the legacy and tradition alive. And you can top your breakfast with a tumbler of strong, warm filter coffee and you'll leave absolutely happy. And the next one on our list is Woodlands at Karama. With a 30-year-old history in the kitchen, these guys know their job and do it absolutely well. Woodland is a household name, and when it comes to dosas in Dubai, the list would be incomplete without their mention. The restaurant serves over 25 varieties of dosas, and you can pick from their plain dosas to rava dosas, the thattu dosa, the ghee roast and a host of other varieties. And the Woodlands masala dosas are a huge hit. The dosas are quite large, soft and filled with heaps of potato filling, tempered with turmeric and curry leaves. And it all ultimately boils to the sambar, of course. Cooked with perfect balance of spice and tanginess, the sambar lets you dig into the entire length of the dosa without regretting it. And the prices of the dosas here start from 9 dirhams and goes all the way up to 25 dirhams. And next up on our list is Karandi's. The recipe to a perfect masala dosa might be simple, but it's the balance that makes or breaks the dish. And fortunately, Karandi gets it right all the time. And if you come here, you must try their Amul cheese Mysore Masala dosa. The potatoes, curry leaves, onions and turmeric powder all work together to bring out the best flavor. The dosa is served with a spicy tomato chutney, which makes it a meal worth to remember. And don't forget to finish off with a cup of coffee. And the last one on our list is Veg World at Meena Bazaar. So if there's one place you must head to if you wish to gorge on street food in Dubai, it certainly is Meena Bazaar. And come on, who can resist street-style dosas? The Veg World in Meena Bazaar whips over 22 varieties of dosas. From the classic homemade sada dosa to pav bhaji dosa, palak dosa, schezwan spring dosa and paneer dosa. Oh my god, the list is simply endless. And if you like your dosa with cheese, you must try their schezwan spring dosa. And some of the other dishes you must also try here is the ghee roast, masala dosa, uttapas garnished with tomatoes, mixed vegetables and loads of cheese.